Peace, collective. Roz Goldilocks here. I pray you all are doing well. My readings and messages are only for clarity and confirmation. Please receive what resonates. I'm going to talk to y'all as I'm kind of like cleaning some things up because I am done with the readings for today. However, I just received a download in divine timing, okay? Some of y'all are so kind and people still don't want that smoke. They can't handle it. I just heard, if you can't take the heat, stay out of the kitchen. It's like people saying something, throwing a rock and then hiding their hand. You better step up or step off. You don't want to mess with this part of the collective. You don't want to mess with them. Because listen, y'all listen, I don't bother nobody. I mind my business. I drink my water. I tell my jokes. Ciao. And they don't know what to do with that. 111 on the timer. People don't know what to do with that. In fact, what's even wilder than that is that they know what to do with it. And they know that it's real. That's why they've been lying. That's why they've been lying, collective. Because they know you the truth. They know you the truth. Okay. Another thing with this is you don't even like to go there, collective. So you have finally made the decision. There's a certain place that you refuse to go anymore. Unless for certain circumstance, I heard. Unless for certain circumstance. Y'all. The divine is talking real loud, real clear. You know what? I actually want to pull some of this Goddess Oracle deck for this message. Because the niceties are done. There's no more trying to people please. Okay? I am talking to some recovering people pleasers. Or those moving through no longer people pleasing and really trying to set some clear boundaries. I'm hearing when your phone rings, I'm not going to take those and say fell back in, but I'm hearing when your phone rings, you are deciding that you don't want to talk right now. You're setting some more boundaries rather than just picking up the phone because you're concerned that someone's going to, concerned that someone's going to be upset that you're not answering. 303 on the timer, 305 on the timer. Persephone, in every cycle of life, I find renewal and balance. Yeah, somebody ain't picking up their phone. Somebody listen, I'm outside hugging the trees, okay, walking in the grass, watering my plants, managing my garden, taking care of my dog. And right now I just don't have it. Persephone in this, she's holding a pomegranate. Very wealthy, okay? This pomegranate is in her left hand. Well, technically, it's in her, whatever. From this view, it's in her left hand. The other hand has a growing vine. Okay, so there's this level of abundance, of waiting, having a nice wait for things to come to you. So this is also, you are someone that is now creating boundaries even with yourself of not having to push too far in advance, try to get the answers and information that you need. You're like, you know what? God will show me when it's time for me to see whatever this is. I have an inkling that something is up, X, Y, and Z, but I'm gonna wait. And in that waiting period, you are going to work on bolstering your regulation skills, your breathing techniques, because whoever is watching this, there is about to be a tower moment for you. Okay, tower moments 444 do not have to be this horrible thing that happens. This is just going to be something that really shocks you and surprises you. And maybe there are going to be some other people that can't believe it. And so they're going to be tripping over their words and word vomiting. And you're going to finally be able to say, oh, well, tell me how you really feel. While you have an amazing opportunity handed to you, people are going to be shocked. You are growing generational wealth, legacy. And people are saying, why them? Why not me? Off of them and on to you. Because you find renewal and balance in every lifetime, my love. This is an I am statement that I would love for you to practice in the mirror. In every cycle of life, I find renewal and balance. Peace, peace, collective. 555 on the timer. Y'all know we stay in the pocket.